So once again, we have another artist here on this festival, and I'm speaking to.
You're speaking to Roxanne Van Rooyen. Am I loud enough? Yes. Oh, you're speaking to Roxanne Van Rooyen. I'm an actress, as I've mentioned, and I'm a industry enthusiast. Like, I love anything about the film and entertainment industry.
Okay, cool. What you do? What are you doing currently?
Oh, I forgot to mention I'm also a business owner in the beauty industry. So currently I'm focusing on my beauty business and as well as my acting career. I'm currently busy with a number of projects. Yeah.
Okay. So as an artist that is busy with a number of projects, there is that ceiling that causes mental health. What you do when that ceiling comes through?
Yeah, I pray, guys. I'm a very spiritual person, so when I need to collect myself, I just remind myself of my calling and why I'm on this purpose and why God created me, because I believe that we all have a purpose on this earth. And so when I spiral out of control, I just remind myself that I have been sent to this earth to make a change. And in the medium that I am, I feel that everywhere you get yourself into, there needs to be a purpose for whatever you do. You need to serve a purpose. You need to tell a story, and that story can convey a message, and that message could automatically be turned into helping someone. So I just remind myself of my purpose and why I'm here, and then I continue.
Prayer. Today we talk more about prayer, purpose, goal. So you can do it, man. I trust you that you can do it. Also on social media, where can we see? Can we follow you on social media so that we can see all your projects?
Yes, you can follow me on Roxanne Van Rooyen on Facebook. On TikTok, I'm just Roxanne. On Instagram, I'm Roxanne Van Rooyen.
So
I don't have like all the extra names like Roxy, Foxy, and all that. We leave that in the times of Mixit. So yeah, that's where you can find me.
So on TikTok, do you dance also?
No. I don't dance on TikTok.
There's mostly people are dancing, even grannies are dancing on that thing. So basically, we can reach Roxanne on all social medias and also support her on the beauty business and also follow her creative projects that she's busy with. And also, she's based in Mutiny, Kariga. So we've got so many people, man. Yeah. Thank you very much for your visit.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.